put this hair in about a week ago, and this is my 1 week review. Guys, I am somebody, my neck, when I wear my neck, my back, just like, no, seriously. When I wear hair that is heavy, my neck hurts. And because of that, if I put in braids, in about 2 days, I'm going to take that braids out because I can't handle it. I can't sleep. My neck feels heavy. That's how I usually am. But this hair, girl, this hair is light. I love big hair. This hair was sent to me by the company, right? If I had a choice, I would have chosen 2 packs just to add maybe like 1 more bundle, because it comes in multiple bundles in the pack. It came with a large crochet lash hook and some hair ornaments. I went ahead and opened it to look at it. So this is how it looks. And you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. You get 14. And I got the color 1B 27 cents to me. It's 2 in a pack. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, good. It's very pretty. Alright. Hopefully it's not too heavy. I'm going to go wash it and then we will install.
Somebody to love in my life. Don't lie, I've been looking all over the world, searching every jungle cause I'm hoping for something. I've been thinking about it every night. Yes, I'm moving closer and you better know one thing. I'm gonna find true love. I'm gonna find true love. Someone that I can trust. Yes, someone, somebody. I need somebody to love, cause I've given everything that I have and still I can't find no one. I'm starting to somebody to love, just want somebody to love, cause I need somebody to love, you know somebody. Mirror on the wall, tell me who's the baddest one of them all. Mirror, don't you lie.
This is the second time I'm trying this, y'all. The first time, it wasn't neat and I kind of got upset and I quit. I said, forget it, I ain't doing it no more. Secondly, I wasn't feeling good. I was recovering. I had the flu. No, I didn't have the Rona. I checked. I was supposed to do this hair weeks ago, but I got sick and couldn't do it. So I had to get with the company and let them know, listen, this hair's going to be delayed. I've gotten really sick. And they were so gracious, so sweet. This hair company, I'm touched. I mean, no pushiness. I know I'm reviewing for them. I'm checking out their hair to see if I like it or not. But the fact that there was no push and they were 100% understanding, I'm so appreciative. I'm so impressed because some of these hair companies are not patient. Right now I'm busy with doing my own stuff right now, guys. I'll tell y'all about it very soon, what I've been working on. It's pretty cool.
Will I ever get to feel true love in my life? Don't lie, I've been looking all over the world, searching every jungle cause I'm hoping for something. I've been thinking about it every night. Yes, I'm moving closer and you better know one thing. I'm gonna find true love. I'm gonna find true love. don't want diamonds or rubies. I don't want houses or land. Give me the money to fly on the G5. I don't want no diamonds. I don't want no pearls. Can't you see I'm looking? Give me the money to fly on the G5. Looking, baby. I don't want no diamonds. I ain't looking for gold. Just give me your love. Just give me your love. I've been looking around. What in the world? What in the world?
Count. It wasn't hard to install at all. It really wasn't hard. And the curly, the color, the curly nature, everything about his hair is just, it's everything. It's everything. And so, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Perhaps I would have added one more bundle to it just because I love big hair. But this is the whole bundle that is all the bundles that's in the pack that comes. And this is how it looks. I love it. It's light. My neck doesn't bother me. I've worn this for a week. No problem. It doesn't itch. Of course, I pre-washed mine with vinegar and water overnight. I let it dry overnight and then I used the hair. So no smell, no itch. Like, this hair is everything. And I will get it again and perhaps another color, but I would like to put more hair into it because I love big hair. When I put it in the water, the color did not run. It does not itch. Did I already say didn't I itch? It is super light. That's what I love about it. I've seen a lot of hair with curls on the ends, but I don't think I've seen it with the curls starting from the base like that. Guys, I'm going to put the information for this hair in the description box. I would love for you to try it. Give this hair a shot and let me know what you seriously think about it. Do you feel the way that I feel about this hair? The light, the color, the feel, everything about it. Just let me know I'm not crazy because I'm super loving this hair. Like, I'm standing in front of a mirror and I'm just like, you know, I think I'm cute. I'm cute. Went out with the kids, went to the mall, we went shopping. I've had people ask me, is this crochet? I'm like, yep, it's crochet. This is it, and that's the back. That's the back, guys. So it's been a week. I'm loving it. I'm going to keep it for a while before I do another style. I have another hair pack that I want to show you guys, but I don't want to take this out because I'm loving it so much. It's so convenient, especially in this time period. It's so convenient. I'm going to keep this for a while before I take it out, okay? So make sure to check the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you. Mwah. Take care of yourself.